all you beautiful people, I'm Jennifer Ziliotto. Today I am tackling the daunting task of cleaning up my closet. Haven't felt like it. It is a total mess. So let's get right into it. So quite frankly, I'm a little bit embarrassed at how messy my closet is. And I don't always feel like tackling it and dealing with it. But since I'm in quarantine, this is the perfect opportunity to do it. So let's get started. So basically what I'm going to do to start is take out all the shoes, just so that I can have a little bit of more room to work in here. And then what I want to do is create 3 piles. Things that I'm going to donate, things that I want to put away for winter storage, and then obviously things that I'm going to keep. So now that they're all out, I can see everything that I have. I know, it looks like a lot. Most of them I'm gonna keep because I love them, but there's a few that I'm gonna get rid of. So I'm just gonna start my donation pile. Okay, so basically what I've done is grabbed a bag and I'm putting all my shoes that I'm getting rid of, which isn't very many, in the bag. And it's starting at least one pile. So next what I'm gonna do is put away all the shoes, putting all the sort of wintry boots closer to the back, and then bringing out the sandals, etc., closer to the front. And then I'm also going to start by creating sort of sections. I don't want to take everything out at once. I know that some people like that. I don't really like doing that because I get a little bit overwhelmed. So I'm just going to do it in sections. Take out a section, sort through it, put it back, and continue on like that. So now what I'm doing is starting to put things back into my closet. I've got the things I am donating, the things that I'm putting away in storage, and I want to try to put things in like colors so that I can see clearly. So here we go. I'm getting there. I grouped all light colors together. I've got some of my summery things out already because I did go away down south at the end of February. So I've just integrated that in, and that's easy to already have access to once the weather starts getting nicer. Now I'm going to tackle all these bags, my Hermes scarves, tidy this up a little bit, and then I'm ready to do the other side. So I have my giveaway pile, I have my winter put away pile. The closet looks so much better. I can't wait to show you. A couple things I wanted to say. If you feel inspired by this video and cleaning out your closet, and you have some Ziliotto clothes that you want to get rid of, send them to me. I'm going to be putting up some of my own Ziliotto clothes that I don't wear anymore up on the website in the next week or so you can continue to look for that. And if you want to send me some Ziliotto clothes, I have a great vintage consignment based idea. It's a great way to get rid of things and still make money from them. Oh, I feel so much better. I'm so happy. I can actually see what I have, and now I can slowly start to put together a little bit of a quarantine capsule wardrobe. That will be for another video. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. Always fun to share what I'm up to with you. For more style ideas, of course, you can continue to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please hit that subscribe button.